I'm your community guide here and ako from Cebu. Hello po! Maayong buntag!
This trip is actually a continuation from our Ugong Rock adventures here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan.
How much is the offload yun?
Today we're gonna try the 30 minutes boat ride. Since this place is a protected area, they don't use motorized bangka or motorized boat here. They only use paddle boats to avoid water pollution and not to disturb the ecosystem.
Pwede na kami? Pwede na, ma'am. Okay.
Welcome po.
Go! What's it, sir?
Ilan ito, sir?
Siyam.
Dalawa.
Okay, everyone, we have pictures here.
Sabang Mangrove Forest is a part of 47.55 hectares protected area here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. This place is protected by the local communities as well as by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
The crocodile.
Each boat has a guide, and each guide is very knowledgeable about the mangrove.
So first of all, we would like to welcome you here at Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour. Please welcome everyone! Woo! Welcome, welcome! May I know where you came from? From Cebu! Maayong buntag! Kamang tanan? Everyone's welcome in Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour po. So have you familiar about mangrove trees or local name, Bakawan? Yeah, Bakawan or Bakaw na siya sa Bisaya. So both sides of this river, those trees are mangrove trees or Bakawan, the local name po. So the word of mangrove forest. Mangrove people forest because the trees looks like walking. The mangrove people forest. And the mangrove trees is the kind of the trees that can grow in the brackish water and also purely salt water and tropical countries. So not only in the Philippines, so there's a mangrove island, Taiwan, they have also mangrove. But in the Philippines, species are male, female, tabigi, small and pointed at the tip. That one is a male mangrove.
Ginit na niya eh.
Ano ba? Mas nababa. So, tinitrain lang po kami ng department. So, yun po. Sa ilog na to wala pong buhaya. Yung Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour po na-organize ito noong December for year 2000. Then the crocodile hunter po, they conduct survey if there's a crocodile here. According to them, the crocodile, so this river, not too wide, not too deep, then full of roads to the side of this river. Then the crocodile, they're cold-blooded animals po, so they need sunlight. But in this area, they're not possible to get sunlight because they will crop or stuck in the roots of that mangrove. So, ayun po, maliit lang po talaga. Ayun po, there, please look at the green light. Ayun na po. Ayan, reticulated python. Purple python. So, baby python pa po yan, kasi python is the biggest or longest snake in the Philippines. Andun po inside the jungle or rainforest. Only the ang naong ni Mamo. Chili, salt, information niya ay parang magkano tao. Looks like human face po. Kaya lang hindi na natin kita yung pointed nose. Kaya natakpan naman yung fog. Then kaya ng mga puno na nakatayo na wala na all those trees that, yung mga puno that is still standing but no leaves is already dead na po. Kasi nadamage po yan ng typhoon. And that mangrove trees po, they belong to the sensitive kind of the tree. That means the branch, the trunk, the roots of mangrove, once damaged, they will die. Not like in the ordinary trees that every new cut, they regrow the mangrove, they will not be good. They will die na lang. Then kusang babagsak na lang po. Then hayaan na lang din hanggang mabulok. After 10 years. So kung mga small mangrove on the river banks ay nakalitaw yung mga dahon lang. Natural. Hello po! Maayong buntag! Ay, Bisaya!
We are here now in Sabang Beach or Sabang Port. We're going to have a lunch buffet here before we go on to our next escapade, which is the underground river tour here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. It is otherwise known as Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Welcome to Casabor Seafront Restaurant.
Okay.
So we're kind in a hurry because our boat are going to leave soon, so we're gonna eat as fast as we can.
Minudo.
Lots of people here because it's lunchtime. Let me find a table first. Langka, tahong, minuto, banana cue. The grilled fish is so delicious.
Wow.
Very good. We're now going to the port area so that we can board the boat going to the underground river tour. Kindly watch out for my next vlog featuring the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park.